Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SMURFCAT. The real SMURFCAT ticker symbol is SMURFCAT, all one word. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, September 25th. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. There is a couple SMURFCAT projects out there, a couple tokens with very similar names, some with the same name actually. So we're going to go over, the difference, how you could find this token, its brand new listing information here, and basically the information on the token. And we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got listed today on a central exchange called MEXC Global. Now, their Twitter, or their X, is at SMURFCAT ETH, because this is an Ethereum token. Now, there's some similar tokens with similar names, or even the same name, that are on the BNB chain, the Binance Smart Chain. So, I'll show you the difference in their web pages, their socials, and so you don't get confused about which coin's which, but this is their Twitter right here, at SMURFCAT ETH. And you'll see on their Twitter, they just announced that they got a brand new central exchange listing today, September 25th at 6 o'clock UTC time in the Innovation Zone on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SMURFCAT, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says SMURFCAT ETH is a deflationary meme coin launched on Ethereum. SMURFCAT, also known as shайлушай, is a deflationary meme coin on Ethereum. The cryptocurrency was created as a tribute to the SMURFCAT internet meme originally created by Nate Hallinan and newly popularized by TikTok. The meme plays on the idea that the SMURFCAT in the image is truly unphotoshopped and that he is indeed real. Now, I don't know anything about this. I've never seen the TikTok videos. I cannot tell you that this SMURFCAT is real or not. All I know is I've never seen a Smurf. So, I mean, that's that. You guys can judge for yourself if you think a SMURFCAT is real. Leave a comment down there. So, according to their Etherscan, this token has 3,073 holders so far. So they're doing very well. They're even up 7.04% right now in the past 24 hours. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 billion tokens and a fully diluted market cap of 2.85 million tokens and a circulating supply market cap of $2.91 million. So they're doing very well, this token here. Now, you can check out their Twitter. That's right here. They just joined in September 2023 on Twitter. They already have 7,881 followers on there. and 215 posts. So they're very active on Twitter. And as you can see there, they have their official webpage on the Twitter, so you guys can easily find that as well. smurfcat.eth.limo. Now, if you go over there, it tells you to click the button. They have their Etherscan on here. They have their DEX tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, where to buy. So you can buy this token on a couple other kind of lesser central exchanges like BitGet, Poloniex, Ascendex, Uniswap. You can buy it right on their webpage. They also have how to buy in case you don't know how to use Uniswap. History, memes, SMURFCAT, token information is basically, it'll redirect you to CoinGecko there. So it says he is real. I mean, I'm just looking at the picture right now. Kind of doesn't look very real to me, but you know, who am I to say that? 0% tax, so you probably won't have to alter slippage if you do get this off Uniswap. It says contract renounced. They do have a swap from Flu's Trade embedded right on their webpage that you could use if you want to use that. Now, if you click on history, it'll take you over to Know Your Meme page, and it gives you the whole history of SMURFCAT, Blue Mushroom Cat, yada yada yada. It goes over the whole thing. So if you want to learn like in depth about this meme, you can do that. But that's basically it for information on this token. But before we wrap this up, I just wanted to let you guys know that there is some other tokens with the exact same name. So if you go over to Pink Sale in the Launchpad list, you can search them easily by putting in Real SMURFCAT, and you'll see that there's actually two BNB tokens, two Binance Smart Chain tokens with the exact same name, Real SMURFCAT, and the exact same ticker symbol, which is in a different language. You know, you won't have to put in that ticker symbol on MEXC Global. Yeah, and there's also another token that has a pre-sale live right now called Real SMURF PEPE, which is a combination now of PEPE and the SMURFCAT. So they're trying to combine even more memes there to, you know, list another token there. But yeah, so like this project here, their Twitter is at SMURFCAT ETH, but you can find another one if you just look up at SMURFCAT BSC. And it might not even be made by the same team. It might be just a knockoff by who knows who. But yes, this is the one right here that is listed on MEXC Global. So don't get it confused with the Binance Smart Chain ones with the same name. This is the webpage right here on their Twitter. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.